right, it's 7 a.m. right now. I was planning on getting up at 4:30 to work out. Ended up getting up at 6:30. You know, if you need the sleep, you need the sleep, and there's nothing wrong with that. So I forgot to mention, I am at 187.6 again. I've been kind of going up and down. All right, so I'm now headed over to the dentist quick, and hopefully that goes well, and then I'll head over to the gym after that, get a good lift in. I should be able to spend the rest of the night with the family, being that it's Valentine's Day. All right, we're here now at the dentist. Wish me luck, guys. All right, well, that ended up being a lot longer than I expected, so I'm hoping I can go to the gym. And I sure do love this rain. It is so nice. Man, would you check out this fog? This is some serious fog. So I'm super excited. I get to go to the gym, go work out for probably an hour, lift some weights. All right, guys, I didn't record any footage in the gym just because there were a million teenagers in there. I didn't think that was a good idea. So now my plans are to go spend the time with the family. I'm gonna surprise my wife and daughter with a Valentine's dinner, so we're gonna go out and have some fun. Okay, guys, so tonight I ended up going out with my wife, like I said, and my daughter. We ended up having pizza, which is a lot of carbs. But I ate 2,300 calories total for the day, which is a little bit more than I wanted to eat. But by the end of everything, if you look over here with Athletic, I will have about a 500 calorie deficit by the time the day is over. You add in my resting calories, 2,060 calories, plus the active 800 calories, and I'll make up the difference. I'll still be in a deficit. I might have a little bit of water weight in the morning because of the carbs, but I'll weigh in and we'll see where I'm at. So now I'm just gonna call it a night. We have a couple projects that we're gonna work on as a family, rearranging some furniture and things, and then we're gonna head to bed. I just wanna thank you guys again so much for watching the video, first of all, and for all the likes and all the comments you guys have left me. You guys have been super encouraging. If you would hit the subscribe button, then you won't miss out on any of the future content that I have. I do have a current battery life test I'm doing on the Apple Watch Ultra here, and I have a couple other product reviews I'm going to be doing along with this 80-day, if I don't beat the 80 days, journey that I'm going through to lose 20 pounds. Again, thank you so much for watching, and have a great night, guys.